Panasonic mixer grinder can be used to make a variety of recipes. For idli batter, use the mill jar. First, place half a cup of soaked urad dal in the jar. And run the mixer in pulse mode or speed 1 for a few minutes. Now pour a little water in the jar. And use the spatula to mix the paste inside the jar. Now run the mixer in speed 2 until the paste is very smooth. Likewise, grind the remaining urad dal. Similarly, grind a cup and a half of soaked rice. Every time you grind, leave a gap of 2 to 3 minutes in between. To mince chicken or mutton, use the mill jar. Take boneless meat, fill 1/3 of the jar, and using the pulse button, grind until the meat is minced. Similarly, to cut vegetables like carrots, cabbages and onions finely, put the roughly cut vegetables in the mill jar. And press the pulse button. To cut even more finely, grind in speed 1 for 1 minute. To make a paste, grind in speed 1 for a little more time. To make coconut chutney, put the required ingredients in the chutney jar, filling it to a maximum of half the jar. And run in pulse mode. Now add a little water and run in speed 3 until the mix becomes a smooth paste. To make mint chutney, put the required ingredients in the chutney jar, filling it to a maximum of half the jar. And run it in pulse mode. Now add some water and run it in speed 3 until the mix becomes a smooth paste. To make omelets, attach the whipping plate to the blender jar. Break 5 eggs and separate the egg whites and yolk. Add the egg whites to the blender jar. And run in pulse mode or speed 1. Blend until frothy. Then add the egg yolk, and in speed 1, blend for some time. To make milkshakes, use the blender jar with the blending blade. Add all the ingredients to a minimum of the blade's level of the jar. And in speed 3, blend for 2 minutes. Then add ice cream and blend for another 2 minutes. In the same way, delicious lassi can also be made. Fix the juice filter in the jar like this. To make coconut milk, add 300 grams of grated coconut to the filter jar. Now run the mixer in pulse mode for 3 seconds. Now add 400 milliliters water and run in speed 3 for 45 seconds. And thick coconut milk is ready. To make tamarind extract, first add 50 grams of tamarind to the filter. Add 100 milliliters of water and run in pulse mode for 3 seconds. Then run in speed 3 for 10 seconds. Tamarind extract is ready. To make carrot juice, take quarter kilo chopped carrots and add to the filter. Add 375 ml of water and in speed 3, blend for 45 seconds. Now using the fruit pusher, push the fruits like this. Delicious carrot juice is ready. In the same way, delicious fruit and vegetable juices can be made. If there are seeds in the fruits, remove the seeds and then use them.